Hi friends! Hopefully you can see me up here in the corner. I wanted you to be able to see my face while I'm giving you this week's directions for your virtual learning. So this week, we're heading into week 8, so May 11th through May 15th. You're going to see most of it is the same. There are a couple of changes. There are a couple of things that came from the district that I need to share with you. So you're going to see that you're reading Lexia 24 Hours of Nowhere. We're going to be doing chapters 10, 11, and 12, and I've already pushed out those reader response journals for you on Reading Google Classroom for you to be able to respond. And then our final week, which will be May 18th through May 22nd, I'm just going to link all of the chapters and then give you the link to the Mark Twain quiz. So if you listen through the rest of those chapters, then you are able to go in and take that Mark Twain quiz, okay? Something that we've gotten from the district is they are opening up the iReady Diagnostic in reading and math. So you're going to see on Tuesday that you have the option of either doing the iReady Reading Diagnostic or 2 Lexia units, okay? And this would be a discussion that you need to have with mom and dad because they've also received communication from the district about the iReady testing being opened up, okay? Then you're going to see on Thursday that you have the option of your reflex green light or complete your math iReady diagnostic, okay? As parents and students, you know that this gives us really great information and you great information as to how much you've learned and how far you've come in 4th grade. And then it also gives you some insight into areas that you might want to work on or things that you need to practice, okay? So iReady testing, that's something that's new for next week. You're going to see here in writing that we are going to do a fun with poetry, and I'm actually going to flip over to that PowerPoint so that you can see it. And this is going to be available for you in Writing Google Classroom, okay? And it's just going over some of the different types of poetry that we did not get to this year, okay? So you're going to see that it will take you through some slides. It's going to take you through a style of poetry. So the acrostic poem is the first, where you would take a word and then you're going to either write a sentence or another word that would come from that letter. Okay, so you'll look at some examples, and then each of them will have a purple and yellow slide that will say, now it's time for you to try it. And then there'll be a slide available for you to actually type and do your work. Okay, so that will be your writing assignment for this week. And you're going to do that each day. So Monday through Thursday. So I would just maybe do 1 or 2 because I want to say there's 5 different types on the slides that are available for you to look at. Okay. We are going to continue with Khan Academy next week and your reflex green lights. One thing I want to let you know that if you finish Khan Academy next week or the following week, then you have completed all of your math goals for 4th grade. So congratulations. Okay. Social studies, we're going to keep working on government. So you will not have science. That's why I've highlighted social studies here. You're going to go to Writing Google Classroom. And in Writing Google Classroom, trying to find the document, I will have a document for you that says Government Bill of Rights. And our learning target this week is to understand the purpose of the Bill of Rights. So you will be visiting the Duxter's website, which I know you're familiar with from our American Revolution books that we wrote. So you will go to Duxter's. I've linked it here. So if you click this, it's going to take you to Duxter's. Okay. Then down here, you have an assignment for each day. So Monday, you're going to read about the Bill of Rights and then explain in your own words what they are. Okay. Tuesday, you're going to read on Duxter's, choose one amendment, describe and explain in your own words. Be sure to tell me which amendment you chose. You're going to do that same thing for Wednesday, but choose a different amendment. And then finally on Thursday, now that you are the expert on the Bill of Rights, you're going to go back and tell me specifically how do you use these amendments still today. Okay, so that is your social studies assignment. And then finally on Seesaw, I will push out another Connect activity. The last week of school, I've got a couple fun things planned. Hopefully you are able to pop on and do those things. I do want to remind you of the Zoom calls. There were several of you on with us last Wednesday. We had a great time. We did a Would You Rather game. So I'll see what I can come up with for this Wednesday. So if you can pop on the hours, remember Monday's just questions, or if you want to pop on, say hi, show me something cool, I'm there. Tuesday and Thursday, if you would like to schedule a time, I'm available. And then Wednesday, 11:15, pop on and we will have a class activity. Okay, I think that is all I have for you this week. I will push all of this information out on class tags so that your parents have it. If you have any questions, please, please, please let me know. I miss you all tons, and I hope you're working hard, and I hope everybody is keeping a smile on their face. But I'm here for you if you need me. All right, friends, take care, and I hope to see you soon.